Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Goldfish Cracker Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Goldfish Cracker Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to line up the corners like this, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners again, and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing at. And I always like to turn it like this so I can open my surprise fold like this. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the goldfish. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a big line that's going to come up and then down. So I'll start right here, and I'm going to make a nice big curve that's just going to come up and down to here. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw this line up, and I'm going to bring it down to here. Now I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to bring it up to here. Then I'm going to make this go down and bring it up to here for the tail. Now right here I'm going to make the eye. So I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. I'm going to make a smaller circle inside of here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and color this part in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make a nice little smiley face shape right there. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our goldfish. So let's go ahead and start back here with the tail. So it's very easy. Let's just draw a nice line that's going to come down and connect the tail. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down into here, and I'm going to bring this line up into here. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it all the way up to here. And I'm going to make a little curved line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve it all the way up to here for the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to add some teeth. So I'm going to make some nice, big, sharp, pointy teeth on here. And I'm going to bring these all the way across until I get to right about here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, just some nice, big, sharp, pointy teeth all the way across. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a tongue. So I'm going to draw a nice big line that's going to curve down. It's going to come around to get nice and skinny as it comes back. And then I'll draw a little curved line right here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. I'm going to jump over it and come down to here. And then I'll make another little line that does the same thing, just to kind of show where the other side of the mouth would be. And then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line right above the mouth. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Goldfish Cracker Surprise Fold. So when we have it all closed up, we just have our happy little goldfish cracker. And then once we open it, he's got this big mouth that he's ready to chomp down on something. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.